Morning, welcome back. Cloudy, foggy, but we got a thing. We will take it, and hope everybody's holiday season was good. I mean, ours was great. Family got sick though, but you know, that's what happens when you go outside and play around, and yeah, but I'm feeling okay. So we're gonna get out here. We're gonna have some fun and see what's out here today. I'm predicting a lot of boxes, like a lot of boxes. Maybe because I've already seen a lot of boxes. Don't know, but we got some nuggets here, and it's not a bad start as far as nugget was. Have a trailer full of that stuff, and we'll be all right. But I digress. Let's go have some fun, go find some things, and yeah, that way. Well, I think we're gonna see a lot of this kind of stuff, you know, like bags full of wrapping paper, you know, things. But this caught my what's left of it caught my eye. We'll take it. You need to be closed. Closed. Take I don't know where my garden shears are, I guess is what I'm gonna call them. But you know, we'll take a little nugget there and a little piece here and try to make a big piece in the trailer. All right, well, yeah, it's a piece. So I pulled around the curve and seen this sitting here, and I'm like, is that metal? And I'm like, yeah, that's metal. Not a bad chunk neither. I mean, it's 2 pounds. I don't know, who knows. Would it be cool to find some way to weigh the trailer, you know, and not weigh the actual weight of the trailer and just the contents? That would be cool. But we're gonna continue. We're gonna take a gander in this pile. I do see some baseball bats, and the net, I know it's mainly metal, but that would be a little rough to manhandle on there. But we do have some baseball bats here, and I mean, definitely take some baseball bats. There's some more baseball bats. There's a lot of baseball bats. Wow. Now I have to check these out and make sure they're not worth a pretty penny, because some baseball bats can be up there as far as price. I know that. Go around this way. More baseball bats. I guess it's the day of the baseball bats. What's in here? Anything in here? Plastic. 2 more baseball bats. Any more baseball bats? That's nothing. Some books. Little piece of metal. Nothing. I mean, what's that? A handful of baseball bats? Maybe they're moving. Plastic. All right, yeah. We'll go with what we got. All right, well, a few pieces here and there. Let's continue. Take a heater. Well, I guess it's a heater. I don't know. It's something. What are you? I don't know. We'll test it. We'll see. And then we got a trunk here. Chest. There's stuff in it. Let's see what's in it. Alright, now. I need you to open. There it goes. Sure. And this is where I kind of, would you take the trunk is the question. I don't know. I don't know nothing about that stuff. It seems flimsy, but is that it today here? That is it today. All right, well, yeah. Old one, new one. So the question is I've never really played with one of these before. Never really kind of taken them apart. So I don't know if it's even a thing to kind of really get them apart. I mean, I take it that right there would release that part, right? No, that just makes it go higher. Okay. I actually have never ever played with one of these. I really haven't. I normally pass them up because they're so awkward, so big. And you don't know if they are an actual kid's toy still. So, yeah, we'll take it today. It's not that light. No, where this is gonna have to go on that side. Okay. We learned. And look, there's a vacuum in the garbage can over there. Didn't even see it. And yeah, maybe. Let's go look at the vacuum. It's got water in it. That's in great shape. All right, well, I'm gonna pull this drain plug out and make sure there's no water in it. I guess I could take this out. This should release it, right? I don't know. I'll play with it for a minute. May just throw a strap over it and be done with it. We'll see. All right, so what we did, we just kind of ratcheted strap it down. It won't go nowhere. I would be worried about this, but it's held on by these two bolts and that. Pulled the drain plug. It did have water in it, and it will still have a little water in it, but you know, maybe me moving we'll get a lot of it out. That's why it was so heavy, by the way. But it's metal, and it's a lot of it. So I don't know how much it is now because the water's out. We'll see. I seen this, and I mean, it looks metal and it looks brass too, to be honest, but the looks is one thing and it's different, right? It's gonna be aluminum. Aluminium. That's heavy. It's got a steel plate in it. Really is leading me to the brass side. No, it's not. The bottom is. Not these. How hard would it be to get the brass off? Spider. That may not be brass. I don't know. I'll take a look at it a little more. Let's look through the pile one time. Nothing. Give that a move over. Nothing. All right, well, we'll take it. Some chair action. Some cheer, some metal, some good weight. You know, I see this being a problem actually. If I were to find bigger items, it would become quite annoying, but we'll get there when we get there. I already took one glove off because, well, you know, mindset things. I was wondering if I was gonna find a tree today, and I guess this answered the question. Still together. No, it's not. We'll take it. Adding to the mess. Quick look, just a quick. Yeah, the wrapping paper boxes. Yeah. All right. We'll take the tree. Number 2 tree. The crazy thing is I just picked that one up over there. So I really wasn't that far away. And we got our second tree for today. Intriguing. I mean, I did see some more scrappers out, so it might have something to do with the tree becoming missing. I did not look on their trailer, so I don't know. But, yep. Got a dog friend. But there is going to be more than likely a tree in here. The reason I say that is because the metal piece is right here. And it is. I don't know if they want their strap back or not. I don't know. A tree. Ooh, this is a heavier one. It's a weird type deal. Another tree. Quick check in the box. No. Okay, well. Okay. We'll take number 3 tree. So this gentleman's house, he actually owns a lawn care service. So if this is out here, it's for a reason. So as you can see, he has been kind of tinkering with it, and I found out it wasn't worth fixing. So it's gotta see if we can make this a little bit more compact for our needs. Yes, we can. Up and down. Perfect. That one's a little bit, has a little bit more resiliency to it. Get a bit more resiliency actually. And perfect. Quick look, quick look. See anything? Somebody got some gaming stuff. No, that's it. Bike, flat tire. I really don't want that on there. I don't know how it comes off because, well, I never had one on my bike. Something tells me bolt on right here, maybe. I don't know. About this little thing, flat tires. But this is actually one of my good friend's house, believe it or not. His name is Officer Carr. Worked with him for a very long time. I don't know if he's an officer no more, but you know, I got somewhere I could take this. Actually, I think I know someone that'll buy this off of me. So, get a home back here for now. Home back here for now. Okay. Well. Okay, so did a stop up here. He was bringing out some stuff. Got this, that, and some bed rails. Take it. But we're at another stop. This is the clean out variety, so we're gonna just do a quick look, see if there's anything that we may want / need. Bunch of books. Maybe somebody has already been doing the digging stuff. It's like all this has been kind of just yanked out. More books. If you're a book fan, this is your kind of stop. I don't know, that's 2. Bed, maybe? I don't know. More books. It's actually probably good value in books, but you know, the Bible. Tile. Do y'all see anything? Because I don't see nothing. Don't you? Made in USA. Microsoft Office. No, nothing in there. Quick glance in this one. Clothing? No, nothing. It's just literally like I figured I would have found some type of metal, or there's a Barbie. Should I take her? I don't know. I don't know nothing about Barbies neither. And I guess I'll save her. Worst case scenario, did I already look through this one? I don't know. I done lost where I was. I think somebody's been in here because that box is wide open. Okay, well, we'll take the sign language Barbie and a little bit of cords. last but not least, I don't think I've been through it. That's the reason we're gonna go through it, right? All right, well, there's a dig pile. A lot of books if you're into books. We're still going. Seen some shiny bits here, so let's get them. Shiny bits. Bench, well, I don't know if it's bent. It's maybe it's supposed to be bent. More shiny bits. Are these shiny bits stainless? Nope. What about these shiny bits? Those are. Curved shower rod. Brushed nickel finished. Rust proof aluminum. It's aluminum. Just read the box they come in. I'll tell you what they are. Yeah. We'll take a burner. Well, what's left of it. We got a spot for it. See? Spot. And we'll take a fan. There's a box there too. We'll take a look at the box as well. Take the fan. Box empty. Garbage. All right, well, take our pieces. Might have another tree here, don't know. That's another tree. I think we found as many as we did that one day, which is kind of crazy. I mean, I ain't complaining. I'm just, well, I guess I could have parked a little closer. Didn't know I was that far away. It's got good weight. And sure. So I'm gonna put some holes in this before I take it to the yard. I just want to make sure I get most of the water out of it. I've been thinking about it, and yeah, I just want to make sure there's no water in it. Simple enough. I think we got something here. Yeah, I think we do. Yep, we do. About went by it, I just thought it was the filter, but I'm like, the wind's picking up a little bit. That may need to test with the good old magnet here. No. Well, we'll take it. Getting a decent mess here. Decent mess. All right, we are gonna head to the yard. I gotta cut some cords. I gotta harvest some cords. I got a bunch. Each one of them trees has a decent length to it as far as cord wise. Now, of course, the vacuum actually had the cord on it, which is surprising. But that vacuum cleaner had a entire, like, the canister, this is what it's called, the dust collection apparatus. Yeah, that's better. It's it was full of water. I don't know if they decided that they were going to try to use it as a shop vac or something like that, but so yeah, we're gonna go to the yard. We're gonna get this unloaded, and the basketball goal thing didn't actually have a lot of water in it after I pulled the plug. I guess that's kind of how it's supposed to work. Get it, pull the plug. But yeah, we're gonna see what it weighs and what it pays on this weekend after Christmas. I think honestly you could probably do your entire route today. There's potential everywhere. so many boxes, and yeah, there's potential to find things in a route that you would run at the end of the week, and that's just because I think a large influx of material, items, things into the household, so some has to go for some have to stay. So I don't know, but we're gonna go down, we're gonna get this unloaded. I'm going to try to find a corner and unload it myself because I want to get my cords, I really do. So but yeah, I will see y'all in just a few seconds technically. And yeah, movie magic. And we're back. Those aren't supposed to be in here, by the way. Huh. He tried to get me to back up over there, but like I said, we're gonna try to get our cords, so you know. Plus he's loading anyway, so it'll work out. Then I'll leave my snips on the other side of the trailer. After I done told y'all what I was trying to do, but you know. Those are not supposed to be there. Like, I've actually got turned around at a yard for those once. So, yeah. Mine. Christmas trees, Christmas trees. I looked one of these up. They're like the $69 variety. So yeah, no, they're not really. It's not the expensive variety. Oh, I see what's going on with this one. Come on. There you go. Do we see the cord? No. 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 Maybe somebody will want it, maybe somebody will get it, who knows. Tried to get my fingers. That's not very nice of it, was it? few more pieces. And cord. And this is why they like to use the excavator, because now they got 3 vehicles here. And it's an itty bitty tight spot. But hey, it is what it is, right? Well, all she wrote. Let's go see what it weighed. All right, so total payout, it was 440 pounds, 10 cents a pound, $44 on today. Not too bad. I do want to say a few things though. Thank you for everyone that sent cards and gifts and everything to me and my family. It was kind of crazy. I think we got like 7 different packages through our P.O Box. In the description, by the way. And they were awesome. Great cards. Loved everything in them. Got some great packages too. One from New Zealand. Thank you. You know who you are. I appreciate it. It was truly, I had a smile on my face the entire time. But small things. $44 today. Not bad. Found a Barbie. Don't know. And yeah, that happened. It's fine. But I'm gonna end it today. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you join me for the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And as always, have a great day.